Welcome to the Individualizing Student Instruction Project, home of A to I software, which helps teachers plan and implement effective instruction for all the children in their classroom.
Reading is one of the most important skills needed in today's information-driven world. Yet according to our nation's report card, the National Assessment of Educational Progress, fully 1/3 of our students do not learn how to read proficiently by 4th grade.
This means that they lack fundamental knowledge and ability in reading. Students who do not read well are less likely to graduate from high school or go to college. And they are more likely to be placed in special education programs.
One reason why many children do not learn to read well is that they do not get the amount and type of reading instruction that is right for them. New research shows that the effect of specific types of reading instruction depends on children's language and literacy skills. So one type of instruction that is critical for one child may be unimportant for another. We call these child-by-instruction interactions.
Child-by-instruction interactions mean that there is an optimal pattern of instruction for each child.
We all know that teaching is complex, but it turns out that teaching children how to read proficiently is even more complex because every child, struggling and able, will respond best to different kinds of instruction.
And we can figure out the best plan if we know their vocabulary and reading skills at the beginning of the school year.
A to I stands for Assessment to Instruction.
A to I, which is web-based, uses students' fall vocabulary and reading scores to drive algorithms or mathematical equations and formulas. These algorithms are based on models developed in our previous research. Using the algorithms, A to I computes recommended amounts and types of instruction for each child in the classroom.
Again, research shows that reading instruction provided in small groups where children have similar learning needs are more effective. So another algorithm then assigns children to recommended smaller groups based on reading and vocabulary scores. Of course, the teacher can change group membership.
A to I works with any core reading curriculum or reading activity. Each activity of the curriculum is indexed across multiple dimensions of instruction. It is these dimensions that give A to I its flexibility. Of course, instruction is highly complex, and so we use 3 different dimensions: code versus meaning-focused, teacher versus child-managed, and change over time.
Instruction can be code-focused, which includes phonological awareness, phonics, alphabet activities, and any activity that helps children crack the code of reading.
Or instruction can be meaning-focused. These activities include reading aloud, writing in journals, discussion, reading books, anything that helps children understand what they are reading.
Teacher versus child-managed instruction identifies who is responsible for focusing the student's attention on the learning activities at hand, the teacher or the student. Teacher-managed instruction may be highly interactive, such as when the teacher is leading the discussion.
Child-managed instruction includes activities where students are working independently or with peers.
Change over time captures the impact of changing the amount of time spent in specific instructional strategies over the school year.
These dimensions operate simultaneously so that any language arts activity falls in one of the 4 sectors. For example, children reading together in the library corner during center time would be participating in a child-managed, meaning-focused activity.
The teacher instructing the children in how to segment or blend phonemes in words would be a teacher-managed, code-focused activity. Any language arts activity would fall in one of these 4 sectors.